We are letting people all know
iwasho
materials
ngenxa yomusa engwenzileyo
because of the mercy I have done.
siyaphela namhlanje
It's ending today.
siyagcina namhlanje iwasho ukuba
We are
semseni
ending the materials being in the mercy.
okusuka kusasa
From tomorrow,
seyiphindela kumanani azo
they go back to their normal price.
okwamanje namhlanje kuphela
Today only,
uzoyithola ngale price
you'll find them at the price.
njoba nonke niyazi-ke
As you all know,
isiwasho lesi
this material,
isiwasho abakhuluma ngaso umkhucululi
the material called Mkutlululi,
siwu-200 rand
normally 200.
kusuka kusasa
From tomorrow,
namhlanje
today,
usazithola ngo-100
you'll
rand
get it at 100 rand.
naleso 200
This one is 200.
namhlanje
Today,
usazithola ngo-100
at
rand
100 rand.
lesi salt yokugeza
The salt to bath with, to sprinkle,
iwu-200 rand
200 rand normally.
namhlanje uzayithola ngo-100
Today is
rand
100 rand.
sasa isiwu-200 rand
Tomorrow is 200.
lesi sesiphekile
For the nail material,
siwu-100 rand
it's 100 rand.
namhlanje u-100 rand
Today it's 100 rand.
sasa
Tomorrow,
220
220.
220 unkatho
This is a cut.
liwu-600 rand
Normally 600 rand.
ake nenzele umusa unkatho
Let's make mercy on the cut.
sasa iyanyuka liwu-200 rand
Tomorrow it will go to 200 rand.
uzohlala ku-200
Stay at 200.
la
Here,
lesi umaphilisa
This is-
ama-alsa
appeals for
izinto
ulcers
eziningi
Piles.
ama-piles
and piles as well.
300 rand
Normally 300.
namhlanje 150
Today 150.
nalesi-ke samadoda naso
This one is for men.
si-150 namhlanje
It's 150 today.
lesi
This one,
maphilisa 150
this one,
100 rand namhlanje
100 rand today.
ivimba moya
Vimbamoy.
300 rand
Normally 300.
sasa
Tomorrow,
150 namhlanje
150 today.
ikhalenda kaprofethi
The calendar of the prophet.
umthandazo lo
It's a prayer.
iwu-100 rand
It's 100 rand.
namhlanje 50 rand
Today it's 50 rand.
intambo
Strings.
intambo-ke ayishintshile
The strings haven't changed.
intambo-ke isusile 50 rand
I moved.
as from
The
today iyaqala ukumuva namhlanje
It's moving today.
iwu-100 rand
It's
intambo
100
namhlanje
rand.
ibuyela esimeni sakhona
Going back to the normal price.
ikhombo ephethe iwasho eyiningi iphethe
With all
nevivamoya
the
bantu basedebele
people of Durban,
ikhona lapha e-ofisini
it's there
ngizobe
in the
ngiyiphethe
office.
futhi
I'll be having it
Le
as
khona,
well.
yona-ke
This one,
isasekhona-ke emseni
It's still in
ikhombo
place.
kuphela
only the combo.
angiphinde futhi
Let me repeat.
angithebona ikhombo
You see the combo?
ikhombo kuphela okwamanje
That's a combo now.
engisayivulele
That I still have an opportunity
umusa
for
iphethe
mercy.
umkhucululi
Kupuluni,
ivimba moya
Vimbamoy,
zonke iwasho
all the
eziningi
materials, many
yiyo
materials.
kuphela
Only it
esatholakala kusasa iviki lonke
that it was found the whole week
sunday
until Sunday.
ikhombo kuphela
For the combo only,
yona-ke uyithola ngo-650
you get it at 650.
yiyo kuphela
Only the combo.
oyitholayo
That you
kanti
get.
lesi siwasho uma usifuna
If you want this material,
laphaya
there,
uzosithola 200
200.
kuyikhombo usesemseni
Combo is still in mercy.
uzayithola namanje
You get it now.
ngo-650
650.
bantu basedebele
People of
ikhona
Durban,
e-ofisini
That's there in the
lapha edebele
office.
ngizobe ngiyiphethe futhi
I'll be having it as well.
sibonga kakhulu
Thank you a lot.
ake sizwe-ke omama
Let's hear.